Jai Shri Krishna, first time in English in simple story form. Purans, Shri Harivansh Puran. Introduction, Episode 1. Shri Harivansh Puran. Purans depict the real history and culture of Vedic time Bharat. Purans are the reflection of the deep elements and philosophy of Vedas. There are 18 Purans. They were originally written in Sanskrit language but were later translated into many other languages. We will start with Harivansh Puran. The name Harivansh means progeny of God. Harivansh Puran is divided into three sections: Harivansh Parv, Vishnu Parv, and Bhavishya Parv. In Harivansh Parv, we know about the creation of universe and the detailed explanation of the major dynasties. Vishnu Parv explains in detail the incarnation of Krishna and his deeds. Bhavishya Parv explains the future kingdoms and Kalyug. Harivansh Parv. It was in the forests of Naimisharanya that the virtuous soul, great Muni Kulpati Shaunak, bore to Sri Hari and then asked Ugrashava, son of Lomharshan Sud, O Sud, while narrating Mahabharata, you only talked about the heroic acts of Kurus. Please, this time you explain in detail the heroic deeds of Vrishni and Andhak dynasties. Ugrashava said, Shaunakji, I shall now relate to you the story of the birth of Vrishnis from the very beginning, about which Janmejay, son of Parikshit, had also asked Vaishampayanji, the disciple of Rishi Vedvyasa. So, I present to you in detail about this great clan in the words of Vaishampayanji. Vaishampayanji said, O knight, O king, the story of Vrishni clan is divine and pious. One who listens to it with full devotion can overcome his sins. In this, there are preachings related to religion, karma, wealth, and salvation. This universe was created by the Almighty, the Pradhan Purusha, who is eternal, known him as Brahma, the creator. He is the creator of all creatures, and he, Brahma, is devoted to Narayana, Lord Vishnu. Desirous of creating various creatures, the divine self-sprung Brahma at first created water. One name for water is Nara. This water was the resting abode of the deity, so he is popularly known as Narayana. The Almighty bestowed his power in water, from which evolved a huge golden egg. This egg remained in water for a long time. From that egg sprung Brahma. Having lived there for years, the divine Hiranyagarbha broke the egg into two parts. He made heaven from one part and earth from the other. Then, in the space between the two parts, he created sky. Thereupon, he created time, mind, speech, passion, and desire. Desirous of creating, he then created 7 sages by the power of his mind. These 7 sages are popularly known as Saptarishi. These mind-born sons, Saptarishis, were Marichi, Atri, Angira, Pulastya, Pulaha, Kritu, and Vasishtha. Thereafter, Brahma created Rudra from his anger. He further created Sanand Kumar, the predecessors of those born before. All of them then were indulged in producing their progeny. From these Saptarishis originated 7 great dynasties. Gods also originated from these Saptarishis. Moving further in his creation, Brahma created thunderbolt, lightning, rainbow, and clouds. For successful performance of yajna, he created Rik, Yajur, and Sam. Thereafter, Brahmaji produced gods from his mouth, Pitras from his breast, humans from his organ of generation, and Asuras from his thighs. He then created Sadhya and other classes of gods. Thus, different kind of lower and higher level of creatures were created from Brahma's own body. All of them were then involved in creating their own types by the power of their mind. But when Brahma realized this mind born creation is very slow, he split his body into two parts. From one part he made male, and from the other he made female. Thus, this male and female started creating their own types by mating, and soon their progeny spread all over from heaven to earth. So, we conclude that Almighty Vishnu created Brahmaji and Brahma created man. Consider this man as Manu and the woman as Chatrupa. The period of Manu is called Manvantar Kal. Jai Shri Krishna. In next episode, we will hear about Manu's clan and birth of Daksha. Episode 2. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.